3 AI coding tools. One clear winner for you. Cursor, Claude Code, and Windsurf. Let us find yours.
AI coding is everywhere now. 92% of US developers use it daily. Cursor passed $2 billion in revenue by March 2026. 3 tools, 1 winner per person. Here we go.
First, Cursor. Go to cursor.com/download. The page detects your operating system. For Windows, choose the user build. Click it, and the download starts. It is about some 190 megabytes.
Run the installer. Pick User Install, which needs no admin rights. If Smart Screen warns you, click More Info, then run anyway. The installer finishes in under a minute.
On a Mac, open the disk image and drag Cursor into Applications. If Gatekeeper blocks it, open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and click Open Anyway.
On first launch, Cursor asks if you want to import your VS Code setup. Click Import. Your extensions, themes, key bindings, and settings arrive in one click.
Next, sign in. Use email, Google, or GitHub. The free hobby plan needs no credit card. After you authorize, you are in.
This is Cursor, a familiar editor with AI built in. Press Ctrl-I for chat, Ctrl-K for inline edits, and Ctrl-E for the agent. Pick a model at the top of the panel. Auto works best for most people.
Cursor's plans. Hobby is free. Individual is $20 a month. Pro Plus is $60, and Ultra is $200. Teams costs $40 per user.
Now, Claude Code. It is an agentic coding tool that lives in your terminal. It reads your code, edits files, and runs commands. It works in an agentic loop. Gather, act, verify, and repeat.
Install it with one command. Paste this into your terminal. The installer sets everything up for you. Then check the version. The Claude command works everywhere.
Run Claude inside your project. A browser opens for login. Sign in with your Claude account and click Authorize. Back in the terminal, you will see Login Successful. Press Enter to continue.
This is the interface. An ASCII banner, your prompt at the bottom, and tools running above. Bash runs tests. Edit changes files. Press Shift-Tab to cycle modes, and Plan mode stops edits. Slash commands control everything.
Important. Claude Code has no free tier. You need a paid Claude plan or API credits. Pro is $20 a month. Max 5 times is $100. Max 20 times is $200.
Finally, Windsurf. In June 2026, it became Devin Desktop. Same IDE, new command center by Cognition. The agent is now Devin Local. Its tagline says it all. The only IDE designed for you to close your laptop.
Download Devin Desktop from Windsurf.com. Pick Apple Silicon, Intel, or the Windows build. Run the installer, and the app opens in seconds.
On first run, import from VS Code or Cursor, or start fresh. Choose your key bindings and install the terminal command. Then sign up free and start building with Devin.
Press Ctrl-L to open Cascade. It plans, edits, and verifies inside the panel. A Toto list tracks its progress, and diffs wait for your accept. Switch modes with control period. Pick a model below the input box.
Windsurf's plans. Free gives you unlimited tab autocomplete with a daily agent quota. Pro is $20 a month. Max is $200. Teams is $40 per user. Side by side, Cursor is a full IDE with a generous free plan. Claude Code is a terminal agent with no free tier and the strongest agentic power. Windsurf offers the best free value. All 3 support MCP natively.
Who should pick what? Beginners and free users, Windsurf or Cursor. Developers who want the strongest agent, Claude Code. CLI lovers, Claude Code 2. The best combo is Cursor for daily work, plus Claude Code for heavy tasks.
Cursor, the best editor. Claude Code, the best agent. Windsurf, the best free value. Pick your profile and stop switching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy coding!